The Center for Lifelong Learning was established in 1982, and it was then called the Department of Extramural Studies. In 2006, the nomenclature was changed to the Center for Lifelong Learning, in keeping with the current nomenclature that was given to departments for adult and continuing education. Lifelong learning itself means that any learner can learn at any age or any stage. We welcome learners from all ages and all stages of life, and we are very proud to say that students from the age of 21 to 81 have studied across our courses. At present, that is in 2015, the Center for Lifelong Learning has 3 diploma programs, one in gerontology, the second in counseling, and the third in youth development and social change. It also conducts 2 certificate programs, one in geriatric care and the other in dance movement therapy. Our most popular programs at the present point are dance movement therapy and counseling. This seems to be in keeping with aspirations of people to opt for courses which are more market-oriented and which have some kind of capability to find employment. The diploma in gerontology, the diploma in youth and social development, and the certificate in geriatric care are 3 courses which have a much more focus on social development. They have a focus on developing capacities of people to serve society. And these programs still lag behind in the number of students who apply for them. One of the major reasons for this is the query that after doing these programs, what is the possibility of getting a job? What is the employment that we can get? Hence, these courses require not just mobilizing students, but managing the complete ecosystem of learning, by which I mean we have to mobilize students and encourage and motivate them to apply for such courses. We have to prepare society and organizations and NGOs to receive such students as employees. We also have to talk to other stakeholders, such as hospitals for geriatric care, so that they may be absorbed. We also need to talk to families so that they may motivate their children to take up these areas of social development and social work. The whole demographic picture of the elderly shows us that the numbers are expanding at a very fast rate. Similar is the case with the youth. The youth in the country is one of the fastest growing demographic populations. In fact, in the next few years, India requires lakhs of people to work with the elderly and with the youth. And these are our 2 specific areas for work in the center. Keeping this in mind, what we have evolved is a strategy of collaboration with different NGOs and different institutions. We have developed the curriculum and the courses, and we reach out to organizations or bodies who wish to offer these courses. Thereby, we are able to reach out to a much larger group. On our part, we monitor the curriculum, we train the teachers, we also monitor the assessment and plan the exams along with the NGO. In short, academic monitoring is done by the Center for Lifelong Learning, and the implementation is done by our collaborating partner. So far, the center has developed 2 collaborations for diploma in counseling, 2 for diploma in youth and social development, and 5 for certificate in geriatric care. We look forward to inviting many more organizations to come forward and join us in offering all the courses for which we have developed our programs.